Hey, buddy. Enjoy.
Thanks, brother.
I had an absolute blast.
Let's make it count last one.
Do what you do best. Have fun, okay?
Thanks, brother. All right, guys. Last race of the RX8 series. I'm a bit far back. Had some car issues, but I'm making excuses now. I always feel like somebody's watching.
1 minute.
Okay. All right, let's get serious. Oh, damn it. He's f***ing up there. Ah, here we go. This is f***ing always the scariest part about being on track. Oh, God. Here we go. I'm going for it, bro. The car's getting so hot, I need to stay in front of this guy. Oh, the tires are going off, the tires are going off. Come on, Del, hold it in there, that's it, Del. Come on. Bend the position, hard on the brakes, late turning, on the gas a bit too early. Come on. Oh, it's so hot in here. I'm gapping him, but he's gonna have to slipstream on me again. Push, man. I can't let him overtake. My tyres are dead. My tyres are dead. I can't keep defending like this anymore.
Back, Alicia!
Damn it! No! 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 Oh, such a shit position now. Fuel cut out on the last corner. Oh, I just lost that spot. No. I fought so hard for that, man. I cannot tell you how hot it is in this car. Oh my god. That was a good race. Not the result I wanted, but that was a good race. Oh my, that was insane. That was a good bloody race.